Cantucci, also known as Prato cookies, are traditional Tuscan sweets, crunchy and perfect for dipping in Vin Santo or other hot beverages. Here is the chocolate version of these delicious biscuits. Ingredients: 250 grams of type 00 flour, 200 grams of sugar, 2 whole eggs plus 1 yolk for glazing, a teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 100 grams of dark chocolate chopped, 50 grams of melted butter, optional, a teaspoon of vanilla extract or grated zest of 1 lemon, optional. Preparation: preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, mix the flour with the sugar, baking powder, and salt. Add the eggs, and if you opt for an additional flavor, the melted butter, vanilla extract, or grated lemon zest. Knead until you have a homogeneous mixture. Incorporate the chopped dark chocolate. Transfer the mixture onto a pastry board and form 1 or 2 loaves about 3–4 centimeters in width. Brush with the beaten egg yolk to give it a shine. Bake in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the loaves are golden brown and firm to the touch. Remove from the oven, and while the loaves are still warm, cut them diagonally into slices about 1.5 centimeters thick. Place the biscuits on a baking sheet with parchment paper and put back in the oven for 5–10 minutes to toast them and make them crunchy. Allow them to cool completely before serving. Did you know? Cantucci were born in medieval times as a travel cake, thanks to their long shelf life. The chocolate version is one of the many modern reinterpretations that add an extra touch of sweetness to this ancient delicacy. If you want to pair Cantucci with a wine, in addition to the classic Vin Santo, you could try an aromatic pasito or a fortified wine that can balance the sweetness and intensity of the chocolate.